Hello everyone, so it's Sheena here and thanks for coming to my blog. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a beauty sponge to apply your liquid highlighter. So for a long time I've had this, and the only thing I've probably used it for is to like mix it in with my foundation, but it dries so fast that it tends to get a little bit patchy. So I've decided to try using it as a highlighter. Now, I really like powdered highlighters because they're the easiest to use. But you know what? I decided to try this out because I have it. I want to use it. Let's make this $15 work. So let me show you how to get into it. So you can use any liquid highlighter that you like, if it is you have one that doesn't dry as fast as this one, because as soon as you put this one on, within like less than a minute it dries. So if it is you get one that will take a little while to dry, I think your results may be a little better, but I've learned to work around this. So I have some water in here. Sorry, my throat's giving a little bit of problems. Okay, so I have some water in this. It's a bottle that I had some setting spray in. So I'm spraying the blender. It's already damp, but I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't not too dried out. So I'm taking the liquid highlighter, right? This is the Glam Gleam from Clean Color, and I'm just going to rub it on my hands like this really quickly. As I said, I want to work with this really fast. So here we go. Ooh, my mirror, right? And I am just applying this on my cheekbones. Voila. And I really like how this looks. Right on this side, I don't have on any highlighter. No highlighter. Highlighter. And yeah, as I said, it works really fast. So this is already dried on my hand. That's the rest. It's already dried. So I'm gonna put some more on this side. And the trick to doing this is, again, as I say, is to make sure that your blender is damp enough. Make sure it's not too dried out. And the reason why I'm kind of swirling it with my hand and not putting the highlighter directly onto my face is because I want to make sure that I get an even application. Look at that. And you just lightly bounce it. Now I don't have on any makeup right now, but I think this will be better to use. The beauty sponge will be better to use as opposed to a brush with the liquid highlighter, because it just kind of makes more sense. I mean, the brush, it's going to kind of interfere with the powder that you've already applied to your face. I'm guessing that you would probably put on your foundation, set with powder, and then put your highlight. If it is you're doing that, I think this would probably be the best way to go about doing it. Now you can apply your foundation and then put the liquid highlighter there. You can also do that with the same method, but if it is you're like me and I like to set and then put highlighter, I think this would be best for you. So yeah, and then you can take your brush now with a powdered highlighter and place it on top of this to get like a bam, bright blinding highlights. So yeah, I think this looks pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit more and overdo it. I just want to put some in the center of my forehead so you guys can see how this looks. Alright, and again, you're working really quickly with these things. So yeah, the application, you lightly bounce. Yeah, and you can easily apply this like on your cupid's bow. Like, I'm just gonna actually press some right here. This is it, unblended, blended. Shiny chin. I'm gonna put some down the side of my, not the side, middle of my nose. This is it, unblended. blended. Tip of my nose tends to be a lot shinier than anything else. Wow, look like I have a light bulb on my nose right now, guys. And even when it is, you see, like my photos, my regular photos, I don't even put like highlighter on my nose and it still shines. Yeah. So